The Enstrom 480B has proven to be an excellent public service aircraft throughout the world, and with the introduction of the new optional internal litter kit, the capabilities of the 480B have now been expanded to include aerial EMS duties. The key to the new litter kit is the 480B's highly flexible interior system that allows the operator to change from a number of interior configurations quickly and easily without the use of tools. The litter kit is installed on the right-hand side of the aircraft, and the patient is loaded and unloaded through the standard aircraft door. As can be seen from this demonstration, loading and unloading of the patient is fast, easy, and safe, requiring very little bending or heavy physical effort. Once secured in the aircraft, there is ample room around both the head and foot area of the patient. The standard pilot seating is retained, and an attendant can care for the patient from the standard middle seat. Installation of the litter kit is simple and straightforward. From the standard 3-place configuration, the first step is to remove the right-hand seat and secondary controls. Once the right-hand side of the helicopter has been properly configured, the next step is to install the fluid dam. This is held in place by Velcro and helps to protect the helicopter and contain any spills. The next step is to install the pilot barrier. This simply clips into the existing seat rails and acts as a partition between the patient and the instrument console. The pilot barrier is made of a clear plastic, though white film has been applied for this demonstration. Following the pilot barrier, quick disconnect studs are installed in predetermined locations on the existing 480B seat rails. With the quick disconnect studs in place, the top deck can be installed in the aircraft. For this installation, it is sometimes helpful to have a second person in the aircraft guiding the top deck into place. It may also be necessary to unlock and align the pivoting trolley base. The top deck simply snaps into the quick disconnect studs and is held securely. The final step is to install the litter onto the top deck. It is important to ensure that the litter is slid all the way forward and locks into place. The installation is now complete and the litter can be stowed inside the aircraft. In operation, the litter with patient is slid onto the top deck and locked into place. A lever underneath the top deck unlocks it and allows the litter to be slid and rotated into the aircraft. Once properly positioned, the lever is used to lock the top deck into place for flight. Removal of the patient and litter follows the procedure in reverse. A second lever releases the litter from the top deck. As seen from the inside of the helicopter, it is sometimes helpful for an attendant to assist in guiding the litter into place. The Enstrom 480B internal litter kit allows for quick, easy, and safe loading and transport of a wide range of patients, and adds one more level of versatility to an already highly flexible aircraft. For more information, please contact Enstrom Helicopter Corporation today.